I heard that at my child preschool they were learning about Africa. So I thought, what better opportunity than to learn about the continent from a real-life African? Those little minds are so open to learn, and it wouldn't be fair to them to let them just internalize all the stereotypes they hear about a beautiful continent day in and day out. So why not showing up to your child's school and share something beautiful about your country or culture that they would never learn otherwise? Here's what I share with my son's preschool. Africa is a continent, not a country. There is 55 countries in Africa. Anywhere between 1,000 and 2,000 languages are spoken in Africa. The English alphabet might have 26 letters, but where I'm from in Africa, one of the languages we speak is called Tigrinya, and it has 224 letters. I showed them our very own beautiful alphabet and sent them home with a name tag with their own name written in Tigrinya. They were ecstatic. But we don't only have letters in Africa, we also invented numbers. The very first person who ever walked this earth was African. So technically we're all from Africa. It's not just me. You're African too. The largest desert in the world is in Africa. And we brought in a real African animal, Sahel, our giant pet tortoise named after the desert she comes from. We shared our hembasha, which everyone loved, and it's a great choice with all the intolerances and food allergies kids now have. Africa! There is so much to be shared about our beautiful continent. And if you don't share with your child and his little friends, then who will?
Culture is cool.